Keeping glass clean isn't about appearance, it's about long-term maintenance and protection. Kleenex offers a complete line of advanced cleaning and surface protection products designed to keep glass looking their best. First up is the Invisible Shield Pre-Cleaner and Restorer. This heavy-duty cleaner is designed to remove hard water stains, mineral deposits, and built-up grime. Once the surface is clean, apply the Invisible Shield glass and surface coating. Its water-repellent barrier prevents stains and reduces buildup over time. And if you're looking for professional-grade durability, the Invisible Shield Pro 15 takes it a step further with its UV initiator technology, offering unmatched defense against water, soil, and mineral buildup. Next up, we have Kleenex Glass Scrub, a deep cleaning solution that lifts away tough grime and pollutants without scratching or dulling surfaces, restoring a professional-grade finish. And the Repel Glass and Surface Cleaner combines powerful cleaning with its 3D nanocoat technology, preventing dirt, fingerprints, and water spots from sticking, so your glass stays cleaner for longer. And finally, the Kleenex Limescale Remover. This descaler cuts through hard water stains, soap scum, and mineral buildup on glass and other surfaces. Perfect for all window cleaners. For all our Kleenex products, check out windowcleaner.com.